Okay, today's focus is going to be on this crazy looking MGM hotel with all the labyrinth of cool stuff. Oh, there's a heart that's kind of diminishing or pumping right there. That's kind of cool. There's another heart over there doing the same. They actually have the same thing over on the MGM on the Macau side when I take the train, but it's red, a little bit different. Still pretty cool. Okay, we're going to be exploring this one today. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is the cool looking one that you can see from my shots of the trains. Has like an amazing view for the trains, and then I think the trains also kind of drop you off pretty close to here. There's the train station right there. So what we're gonna try to do, see if we can get over there. I don't know how we're gonna do it though, because there's a big major road right there with no way to get across the street. It looks like there's one way over there. But anyways, we're gonna go check out this place, the MGM. And if somebody wants to get into the film by MGM easily, here's the train station right here. So it's pretty easy. City of Dreams is right here. MGM, of course. We're gonna cross the street. Down there is Venetian, there's Hard Rock Cafe, some hotels right there. Those are all lines up, a big row of hotels, Sheraton, Regis, another one. Now, and then of course this one is Wynn Palace. My goal today is just to get into this one, into the MGM, and we're going to check this one out today. As we approach the MGM, you can see like this cool Morpheus. So that's one that, and there's a Grand Hyatt hotel, so there's some major hotels right here. But yeah, this Morpheus is the one with a really crazy architecture, which is even crazier and more interesting when you see it from a distance. Maybe a little bit hard to see with my particular camera at the moment. All the casinos kind of beautify the entrances, and they're kind of wide. And as you can see, usually there'd be buses, and there's not very many. We're gonna come in. It's the COVID time, so there's a lot of stuff that's just not quite like it usually would be, and there's no tourists coming in either. So let's go come in. Hotel entrance. So it looks like we're gonna come into the hotel entrance first. Let's just see. I think we have to go down this way. This way? Oh, this one. Okay. So she says come in this way. Thank you. Thank you. So okay, so we're gonna come into the hotel first, and we'll just see, maybe you can take a look and see, there's a casino part. I can't go in there with the camera anyways. So we're just gonna walk around inside the MGM. A lot of them have these big entrance halls, and I don't know if I've been in this particular one. I almost think I might not have. There's another casino entrance, so I can't go in. The casinos, I don't even know if I can put my camera in there, but I don't see anybody doing anything. It looks empty. Here's hotel area. I think you could go to the movies here, but these are empty as well. Let's see what else is here. And then this looks like doors to movie theaters. That's probably empty as well. I mean, I might be wrong, but MGM and movies is kind of the same, right? Or this is for exhibitions, possibly, as well. And that's probably old and outdated too. Anyways, we'll go, we'll see what else we can find. Well, we did find a map. So here's the entrance. This is where we're at. I walked over here to this red spot. All these purple ones, there's all casino floors. Most of these have the same layout. It's almost all casino in the middle. And then the periphery part, there's like shopping. So we'll just kind of walk by and just kind of see what we can see as far as shopping goes. So there's lots of beauty products. There's also Calvin Klein. This is kind of typical. You see, it's kind of like a shopping mall in most of these casinos. Then you have kind of, this guy looks like he's all set up for COVID. He's got his face mask on. Watches. Camera died again, but this is a Ed Hardy shop. So this Ed Hardy shop, basically they kind of have, it's really popular in the mainland, but these kind of designs that are kind of look like that. And then they have all this kind of like artwork stuff, dragons. So it's quite popular, I heard, definitely in China for sure. Other places too. So okay, here's coffee shop, Starbucks. And actually, this setup looks almost the same as a setup in the Macau side. Macau side and Taipa have almost the same appearance to them. So over there would be the Wind Palace, and I got some 5-foot road. So okay. So looks like they got some people are shopping. So I don't know if they're locals or foreigners. So some of the restaurants are open as well. But most people look like they work here. But anyways, there's another MGM on the other side, and it has kind of similar setup, and also has kind of a casino that's I think all that over there would be the casino side. And there's some money ATM machines, and you could enter in. And then the shopping mall part basically looks like this. Looks the same in the other MGM too. Different, but a little bit the same. Anyways, lots of good restaurants that people go to. Some of them have really well-known chefs. Here's some people that are traveling. I don't know where they're traveling from. So I think like the gates, I think they're open for Chinese, but not open to other people. So the rest of us are not able. This is the main lobby, so I want to definitely check this out anyways. So let's go check it out. And then we might just can close here. This is going to be kind of similar, the same kind of look. And then this one, I can see all the artwork up there. Some nice restaurants. Looks like most people. Okay. So we're gonna go check this out. Yeah, actually, I guess we're kind of surrounded by artwork everywhere in this particular building. So it looks like there's all these tables all the way over there too. Oh, there's a. That's funny. That's pretty common. That's really funny. Yeah, I guess there's definitely tourists. Like a lot of tourists, they like to do that a lot. They like to open up their bags in public, and they go through everything and they stack it better, and then so they can put more stuff in it, I think. So a lot of consumers like that. So I think that they're doing the same. Anyways, so they just stopped them and told them they can't do that. But usually you'll see that on a big scale. This is a casino right here, which I can't go into, but you can see what this one looks like anyway. So this is the MGM. So yeah, looks pretty cool. You got these kind of cool. You can see, actually, you can see the those are from the outside. You can see like this sort of staggering, like these little boxes. So you can actually kind of see these from the inside here. It's pretty cool. Big, massive ceilings. And if a typhoon comes through, I don't want to be in this room. That's for sure. So I don't think I'd want to come in it for a while. Who knows what kind of where the glass could fall, because there's like so much crevices everywhere. Anyways, pretty interesting, pretty cool. So I think we might end it for MGM as well. We could definitely go up. Maybe I'll do that real quick. But you can see how empty it looks. We can also kind of get a sense for what it looks like. There's those massive ceilings again. And okay. So you can just keep going up, and there's more restaurants up there as well. I don't think I'm gonna go into them. Oh, there's flowing water designs. I don't think that's real water. It looks like it's just like imagery. So anyways, let's see, empty MGM. Yeah, I don't know, maybe those windows are really strong, so maybe they would survive typhoon damage stuff. I have no idea. I could explore more of these restaurants, but you get a sense for it. And actually it looks like there's elevators that go all the way up, so if I wanted to, I could just keep navigating up to the top. I don't think I want to do that today. But anyways, if you want to see what's up there, I don't mind going up there. I just read it on my to-do list. So these are some more shopping for MGM. And I think there's the entrance right over there, so I think we're gonna take it. But yeah, so it's COVID period of time, coronavirus, and hardly any tourists anywhere. People aren't allowed to come into Macau anyways. There's a trickle of Chinese from the border, but I'm not exactly sure. Officially, nobody's supposed to come in, but there's some exceptions. So that's why we saw some of the tourists with the suitcases. So I don't know what that's all about, but anyways, as you can see, for the most part, it's basically closed down. Do we come in at the same spot? Anyways, we'll end at this spot. And that's the outside of the MGM, so we just came out, so we were just kind of up in there somewhere, and we could see that kind of staggering look of the MGM. And also, by the way, there's a train station right here, so this is very convenient for this one. There's another one right there. So actually, this particular casino is pretty well connected to these two stations. And then it looks like that station's going to have something else built next to it. I don't know what. And over there is Wynn Palace. So yeah, there you go, MGM right there. And there it is from a distance, so you can see how cool it is. And then also the train goes through, so the train goes right there. And so when you're on that train, it's like really impressive to kind of come up next to this building. And then also you get kind of near this other casino here too, the Wynn Palace. So basically that's kind of this is the focus of this one, so we'll stay on this one. And yeah, there it is right there, MGM. So there's two of them. There's one on the Macau side and one on the Taipa side. So Taipa is called Cotai. So yep, there we go, MGM. Chiquinha, chiquinha.